Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
State President ke NPP Dr.Kharlukhi laong baka karai ke balashim habban sngap shwai karai jong kipat ba mar ke ba ke NPP karai mauru habban bot ya ke jingrai jong kaseng ya kani Dr.Kharlukhi lakran bigilat pathai kubor mentakasi kasitarik unai luar arajar arpulai hakabaya de ke Jingwanrah ya ke Lynti rel Hapoh ke Jylla Dr.Kharlukhi laong ba umpat tip ya ke ba kaseng karai ni kan sarai henry haduk menta kaseng kalong hapdeng kabamut baka Sorkar Jylla kampat Mynjur ya ke Jingwanrah ya ke Lynti rel Hapoh ke Jylla.
We are part of the center, but there are issues of the state in which we have to go according to the will of our people. So whatever my party decides here in the state, I will abide by that.
And what is it likely to be decided?
I don't know that. We have to see that.
For or against?
Till date, it is neither for nor against, which means that the state government has not yet agreed on this railway coming to the state. So it ends there, only like that.
Hakawai kaliang Dr.Kharlukhi habakran halor ki jaka khaput long baka Sorkar Jylla kadang le kat bala ban penbet ki jaka ya ka japun parkani kalaya la bun snam na do shwa banyo ya ka Jylla lejang Dr.Kharlukhi laong ru baka Sorkar Jylla kadang persang baka jing penbet yu pu dusam kadiban orlong no kham kloi khanang baki bri basa ki tu ki jaka ke badan ha khaput kinyo ban shongsuk
Is trying level best to solve the border issue because it is not now only. It has been there for maybe almost like when the state of Meghalaya itself was created, it was there. So it have to be solved that at least the people in the border should live peacefully.
That is claims, counterclaims, incursions, nothing.
Yeah, that's why they are having this regional committee so that they will sit and find out a solution which is acceptable to us.
Keeps on recurring. That's the
No, it keep on recurring because see, like Arunachal is solved. Why not Meghalaya? Meghalaya also should be solved. So now that's why they are trying. We're trying to solve this issue so that our people will live in peace in the border areas.